Hello and welcome. Now take a look at the gbpusd currency pair. As all of you guys noticed that on Friday we discussed that the gbpusd is bullish because it makes the minor head and shoulder pattern in the H1 time frame yesterday on Friday. So we discussed that our first target is 1.1650 and next target is 1.17600. So until the market is holding above the 1.1560 level, and that is almost there, the trend is bullish, and in the upcoming session may the market trade outside this minor H4 trend channel and go toward the 1.1760. So according to my opinion, in the next week market will successfully touch the 1.1760 level, and that is the very best, you can say, entry according to my point of view. And in the next week maybe market go toward the 1.1831 or testing the 1.1960 level. So this all depend upon the next week movement, and holding above the 1.1550 is you can say main thing important, that until the market is holding above that level, that give the clear chances that it will go in the upside direction. So overall this is the previous picture. From that double top pattern breakdown, we draw the Fibonacci retracement on the latest wave, and our first target is 1.14431, and that is almost hit. So now market makes some correction up to 1.1760, or you can say 1.18831. that is very easily in the next week. Hopefully you guys understand the gbpusd next week forecast. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.